For today's art project, let's make a pinch pot. We need some clay, a toothpick, some parchment paper, and a pencil. First, we need to get our clay and we need to press it and roll it into a ball. Roll it around. And if I want to or need to, I can press it on the table too. Roll it around on the table. I'm not pushing very hard, just enough to squeeze the clay together. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press a hole into the center of the ball, and I can use my index finger or I can use my thumb. I think I'll use my thumb. And press right into the middle. Like that. I'm going to go around and I'm going to pinch the sides of the hole, and as I do so, a little bowl will form. And each time I press or pinch, my bowl is going to get wider. You keep going and keep pinching and pressing until you feel like you've got a good little bowl here. What we want to do now is make sure that the walls of the bowl are not too thin and not too thick. And the way we do that is we get our pinky, we press it up against the bowl, and if the walls of the bowl are about the same thickness as our pinky, we're in a good spot. Let's go ahead and with our finger just find all the little cracks and smooth our bowl out. Now, we have a problem. Bowls, if they're rounded and you put them on the table, they'll wobble around and fall over. We need to fix that. How do we do it? We pat the other end on the table. To carve our design in, we're going to need our toothpick. So now you can spend some time doing a little design on your pinch pot. When you're finished with your design, go ahead and turn your bowl over, and you'll need to carve your name into the bottom. That way we know it's yours and we can give it back to you after it's dry. And place it ever so carefully on the parchment paper. Go ahead and write your name